Hi guys, good day. So I received a message that I should do a video on how to fit a background or maybe image to actually suit a particular design. So I will be using an app called PSCC. Here is it. So here is what I did already. So if you are new to this, you cannot see any project here. So let me go here to where you see plus image here. So I will click on it. So now what I will do is I will go image from gallery, photos from gallery. Right. So I will go and select my image here. Go and locate where your image is, or maybe your background. So let's take an instance. We are going to use this image here. Yes, I will just click on it and then press on this part here. So clicking on this, you see it is actually a transparent picture. So if to say the image have a background, you will see it just like this. So you see the background and then the image here. So what I will do now is I will go to here where you see this and here. So I will click on this fit. I will click on it. So now this is just where to drag. We have two handles here. So let me take an example. I'm going to let's see, I'll drag this one, the transparent one here, and then you will just cite it to where you actually want the thing to be. Yeah, let's take an example. I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. So I will just click on here, this good icon, and then I will go to here, done. You see my work has been saved. So now what I will do in order to save my work automatically to my file manager, I will click on here. You see save to gallery. So what I will do now is I will click on this, the one that I will save, and then here you see where you select JPG. We actually know that JPG is actually not transparent, so I will select on PNG. So if you want it to come with the background or something else, so you just select on this JPG, but now it's actually a transparent image. So I will select on this PNG, and then I will select OK. So it has been saved. So let's take an example. I'm going to use it on my PixelLab. So what I will do is I will go to my PixelLab now. I will go to Arts from Gallery, and then you actually see the image here. You actually see how transparent it is. You will see how it is. So before it was like this. You actually see the difference here. This one is faded toward the edge, well, this one is not faded. So let's take an example. You are going to use let's see, a background. You are going to do for a background. So let me go to the process, and then let's see, I'm going to use a background. Go to your gallery and then locate where the background is. So for my own, I'm just I'm going to choose a background. So I will choose the background here. Here's the background. So what I will do now is the same process. I will go to this on here, and then you see where you see fade here. I will click on it and then drag the position which I want it to be transparent. Let's take an example. I just want okay, let's take an example. I want here to be transparent, the upper layer. So I will just click on this. I want it. You will select the intensity of how you want it. But to me here, I will just select this. This is just like a demo. So I will just select this, go to done, and then save your work. Save it on your gallery. This transparent, save my work. So let's take an instance. I'm going to use it on my PixelLab. I will go to my PixelLab here and then select it. So you actually see how it actually appears. So let's take an example. The major one, like this. So let me select the major ones that we did initial. That is good enough. So let me just turn it to the back. So you actually see, I'm going to use let's see this girl here. Let me delete this, and then let's say I didn't fetch this one. Okay, let me just increase her size. Let me centralize it. Yeah. So let's say I'm going to use this girl for a design. So I will just fix her here, just like this. So you see, I have actually faded the edge of it. So you actually see how transparent the thing is. Uh, it has actually been mapped to the background. So this is just how to like fit your background or image to actually suit your design. Thank you very much for your time. Please, if you find this to be useful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.